In this video, we're going to walk through how to design stickers in Canva. You can upload your sticker designs to marketplaces like Redbubble or Amazon, or you can use them to print stickers at home. On Canva's homepage, use Custom Size, either from the purple Create a Design button or from the icons listed across the page. Here you'll need to decide how you plan to use your stickers. Are you designing a full sticker sheet to print at home? Or are you creating individual stickers to upload to a print-on-demand platform? If you're designing individual stickers for a marketplace like Redbubble, they recommend PNG files, sized at 2800 by 2800 pixels, with a minimum DPI of 200, though 300 DPI is suggested for the best results. Redbubble prints stickers in 4 sizes: small, medium, large, and extra large. The file size limit is 300 megabytes. At 2800 by 2800, your design will remain clean and crisp even at the extra large size. The minimum file size for a small sticker is 450 by 600 pixels, but that size limits your design to only the small option, and isn't ideal if you want your sticker available in multiple sizes. Each platform lists its own file size requirements, so be sure to check those details to get the best results. If you're printing stickers at home, sticker paper sheets are typically 8.5 by 11 inches. In this case, use Custom Size and switch from pixels to inches. Next, we need some designs. If you already have designs created, you'll find them in either your Uploads folder or your Projects folder on the left side toolbar. You can bring those directly into your design space to start working with them. If you don't have your own designs yet, the Elements tab is the best place to look. Click on Elements in the left toolbar to open it. At the top, you'll see a search box. You can generate images by typing a prompt into the search box and clicking Generate Images, letting Canva's AI create designs for you. Under Browse Categories, click on Graphics. From here, you can search for specific elements and scroll through to find exactly what you want for your design. Canva literally has millions of graphics to choose from, making it a fantastic tool for creating stickers. If you see a crown icon on an image, that means it's a Canva Pro element and can only be used with a Pro account. If you're using a free Canva account, you won't have access to crown elements. But honestly, there are still tons of great free graphics available. Once you find a graphic you like, bring it onto your canvas. First, highlight the design, then click to open Edit in the floating toolbar. You can click on Adjust, use Magic Studio, Style Match, Filters, FX effects, or Apps. Once you are happy with the design, you need to download it as a PNG with a transparent background and remove it from your design space. After it is downloaded, bring it back into the Uploads folder, then from the Uploads folder into the design space. You'll also want to decide whether or not to add a border. Canva makes adding a border easy. Before adding the border, change the background of your blank canvas to a darker color so you can clearly see what you're doing. We'll remove this background later. Click to highlight it, then go to Edit in the top toolbar. Scroll down to FX effects and select Shadow. When it opens, click on Outline. Use the slider to increase the outline size until it looks right. Be sure to check for gaps. Some designs can end up with small holes or disconnected pieces, which can cause cutting issues later. Once the outline looks good, change the outline color. Most stickers use white, but you can choose any color you like. When you're finished, remove the background color and download your file as a PNG with a transparent background. You can print stickers using your home printer. If you're using a Cricut or another cutting machine, it will have its own software to set up cut types. Sticker paper is widely available at stationery stores or online through places like Amazon. There are several ways to cut your stickers. Hand cutting with scissors is perfectly fine when you're starting out. Finally, be very mindful of image ownership, especially if you plan to sell your stickers. Make sure you have the right to use any image you include. Using someone else's work as your own can lead to serious problems. And that's how you create stickers in Canva. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks so much for watching.